today we'll be reorganizing my craft cart, primarily focusing on the top part. I'm going to see if I could do more with the other compartments, okay? And I'll try to be using these non-conventional organization items. For example, we have here a utensil caddy for forks, knives, and spoons, and napkins and whatnots. I have these cups and a random wire basket. None of them fit together as a theme, but I do just want to make this cart much more functional for me and my planning needs. Okay, so before I begin, if you're new here, hi, I'm Kim, and I post planning content, lifestyle, helpful tips, creative content, all that good stuff. So if you're into that, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out. Another thing I want to mention, guys, I opened up an Etsy shop. So it's really exciting and a bit nerve-wracking just because I just didn't think there'd be people out there buying my art, and there are people buying my art. It's insane. In case you guys haven't seen my shop yet, it is Blushing Boba Studio. Alright, you can find me on Etsy, and I sell art hand drawn by me. Basically art that's inspired by my favorite drink, bubble tea. So yes, I love boba so much that I make art out of it, or art inspired stuff. When you check it out, you'll see the cuteness over there. So I just wanted to plug that in there. And if you guys are interested in studio vlogs, I would totally be down to film behind the scenes of my shop. I mean, you can see this is my studio. Yeah, my bedroom. It's kind of small, but I'm making do with what I have. So I don't want this video to get too long about my shop. Let's not take away from what we're really doing here. We're going to reorganize that cart, so let's get to it. Alright. We are here at another angle so you can see this monstrosity that I've been dealing with for quite some time. It is pretty bulky just because I honestly plopped it on the top of my cart and I want to organize it in a more functional way. Especially since I have way too many sticker books. I have way too many sticker books, and I need a better way of seeing them because they're kind of just in the back here and so much going on in the front. And yeah, I've just been dealing with it for quite some time, and now I'm finally getting to it. So this is a tool caddy. One of my planner friends suggested to use this for planner supplies, and honestly it really is awesome. If you want to go from room to room and bring all your planner supplies and you don't have a cart, then by all means this is a great idea. But now that I have a cart, this is kind of bulky for me, and I'm not gonna lie, I have taken this out in public twice, 3 times to plan at a coffee shop, at a friend's house, or go to a planner meetup, and it really is great because yes, it holds so much, but my gosh, it is hefty. If you do not have any weights and want to work out, this is a great idea. Get a tool caddy, stuff it with all your planner supplies, and you will have a good kettlebell, and you could do, you could work out with it, you could do squats with it, you could lift it up to your biceps. By all means, use it as, ooh, I dropped something. You can use it for exercise, but I am not using for exercise at this time. So I will reorganize this hot mess, see if I actually want to keep the caddy or utilize the items that I have that are also non-conventional. Have you noticed that I'm not using anything that's really meant for desk organization? I think the closest thing I have for desk organization is this. But yeah, other than that, I have cups, I have a caddy for utensils, and this is for tools. I'm gonna somehow organize my cart as long as it's functional for me when I plan. Now, you guys are probably wondering, what do I use to plan on the go? I have showed this in a previous video. I have it opened up right here. This is a small little travel case that I got from the Honey Bee shop, but I also saw it on, was it called Miniso? It's, I believe, a Korean store. It's really cute. They have different colors on there too. So I kind of put away my, there's a Velcro compartment where you could, where it's really meant for like makeup brushes and stuff. I put my mild liners, my scissors, and other goodies in there, and I took it apart. It's on my desk somewhere. But yes, see how small it is? So now that I've kind of mastered how I want to plan things, I don't need to bring all of this. So let's get to organizing. Really quick before we begin, I figured I might do a quick little tour of all the compartments here. Very quickly, as you see, this is my tool caddy with all my planner products. These are magnetic compartments that I've attached here. They were just $1 each from the dollar section of Target. Down here are, here, let's push this back a little more. Down here are stickers, extra stickers that do not fit at the top. And then down here we have paper, and I have a paper cutter in there. So basically little scraps of paper. I also have more paper in my closet. Alright, now let's get to organizing this thing. Alright, so this is what I have so far. I emptied most of it, and I'm sad that this didn't really work out just because of this was in the way. If I could figure out a way to take this apart, then it probably would have worked out really well. But so far I actually really like these cups. These were only 50 cents at Walmart. I bought 3. I should have bought more. I was going to get more, actually. I was going to get 4, but I was like, oh, that's excessive. But now that I realize how cute it is, I think I should have gotten it, because then it would have at least matched, you know, rosy pink, rose gold. Yeah, so this is what I have so far. I like it. Now I'm wondering whether I should get more of this or figure out how to remove this. Oh, we'll see. Alright, so I had to do a little more digging around my bedroom to find more containers. Well, that's pretty much empty. These are the random extras that I still need to find a home for. But back to the containers. So I found these 2 little cups that came as a set with that. So that was actually on my desk. I pull it over here. Which works great because now you could see the little, like the shorter pens, whereas here they're kind of like drowning in the cups. And I have my other pen pouch that I'm going to leave open right here. So not too shabby. It is functional. But knowing me, for some odd reason, I feel like I just want to get more cups just for cohesion. Oh god, but honestly this is functional. At least I can see everything's on one side, because what happened was with this being in the middle, I had to literally turn this all over just to get what I needed, whereas now at least I could pull it. It belongs in that corner. I could just pull it to the side, grab what I need, and put it back. So yeah, it's functional. Now, do I want to go back to Walmart after work tomorrow and get more cups? Maybe. We'll see about that. Good morning, everyone. This is day 2 of this project. Not much of a project, really. I just changed a few things. So remember how I said I might go to Walmart and get more of those cups? After work, I went to Walmart and got more of those cups. So here we are now. This is how it looks. It actually looks so much neater. I was afraid, though, that because the cups are so tall that I would have to kind of reach over and see. But you know what? Why didn't I just think of grabbing the cup and just leaving it on my desk for access of all the colors and putting it back? It looks cleaner this way. Let's see. I kind of want to move this out. So let's put it back in its home. Oh, let me just move this out of the way. So when it goes into its designated parking spots, then you don't really see that black canister or magnetic holder with the highlighters. I think it's a bit too distracting. So yeah, that's how it looks. This is the final look. Yay! I'm glad I actually got the cups. So there's my little update. Thanks for tuning in and watching how I organize the top part of my cart. Now everything's so easy to grab and go. And if you just want to take a closer look, this is my collection. I'm not gonna lie, I might start destashing because I really don't use these sticker books anymore. I really don't. So if you're interested, let me know. And yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.